Dear children, welcome to English language class. Today we will start with letter writing. Now, what is a letter? A letter is a written message conveyed from one person to another person. It is generally conveyed via post. We write a letter to communicate information, ideas, suggestions, requests, complaints, and so on. It can be handwritten or printed on paper and sent to the recipient via mail or post in an envelope. Now, there are two types of letters: formal letters and informal letters. Now, what is a formal letter? Formal letters, they are written with business or profession purpose and they have simple language. Formal letters include applications, business letters, letters to editors, and other official letters. Now, the second type of letter is informal letter. So, in this video today, we will do the informal letter. So, what are informal letters? Informal letters are written for personal communication and they are written to friends, family members, relatives, or other acquaintances. The language used in an informal letter is personal or casual, and the style is mainly conversational, as if we are talking to that person. Now you know what is an informal letter. Now let's talk about the format of an informal letter. So how do we write the format of the informal letter? The format of an informal letter includes the sender's address, that is the writer's address, in 3 lines. So on left hand side, we write the writer's address in 3 lines. No comma is placed after the lines of the address. So after writing 3-line address, we leave a line, then we write the date. So after writing the date, we leave a line again, and the third thing is salutation or greetings. We address that person. For example, my dear father, dear uncle. Now the fourth thing is the body of the letter. Body is the main part of the letter. It includes the information of the letter, and body includes the reason for writing the letter, why the letter is being written. And body has 3 parts: introduction, main content, or the conclusion or summary. Now, main content, it includes all detailed information. And if the body is too long, it can be divided into paragraphs, and we leave a line after each paragraph. The 5th part is complimentary or the complimentary clause or the conclusion. And letter should be closed in a polite way, like yours loving, yours sincerely, truly yours, and so on. Now the 6th part is signature. We write the first name in running hand. The writers will write their first name in running hand. Now let's take an example. Write a letter to your father requesting him to buy you a new bicycle. So how we can write this letter? So start with writing the writer's address in 3 lines on left hand side of the page, that is along with the margin. So after writing the 3-line address, leave a line and then write the date, the day we are writing the letter. Then again leave a line and address your father. My dear father, you will be glad to know that I have settled down in my new school and I'm feeling very happy the way my studies are going on. The teachers are very cooperative and the general atmosphere is good. Now one paragraph is complete, so you leave a line. However, I have a problem. The school is 3 kilometers from the house and it begins at 7:30 a.m. As there is no bus facility, I have to walk down to the school with the heavy bag of books on my back. So when I reach the school, I'm totally exhausted and find it difficult to concentrate on my studies in the first 2 classes. Besides, sometimes I get late and my class teacher is annoyed with me. The afternoon journey back home is also quite tiring. So now second paragraph is complete. So you leave a line again. Daddy, I would be grateful if you could kindly arrange to buy me a new bicycle. It will not only save my time and energy but also enable me to attend extra classes in the school in the afternoon. Give my regards to Mummy. And now you conclude the letter. You end the letter. Yours lovingly. And if your name is Vivek, you write your name in first name in running hand. Vivek. So this is how we write the informal letter. So now you can also write the informal letter following the format.